How to delete TikTok account using email. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you'll be able to delete your TikTok account using an email. So for that, just open your TikTok account. So the deleting process for your TikTok account is quite similar whether you're using an email address or not. So for that, all you have to do is just go to the profile icon from the bottom right corner, and from there just go to the three-dot menu icon from the top right. And now just go to settings and privacy and just go to accounts from the top, and then you will see the option to deactivate or delete your account at the end of the list. So just click on it. Now you will see these two options. So just click on delete account permanently, and you have to tell the reason for leaving TikTok in this particular page. If you want to skip this, just click on skip from the top right. And now just continue by clicking on this checkbox and then click on continue. So this is how you will be able to delete your TikTok account using email or without using email. Because the process is similar. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.